Top of the morning to you there, YouTubers. Just got this little wee beauty in today.
It's got the American flag on it, don't you know? God bless America.
Yeah, we got this here American flag here on this steering wheel. Now we're gonna put it on the truck.
Little bloke. Wee little bloke. Hey, we gotta put it on the top. We gotta go. We need to put it on the car, Apollo. I don't know. Yo, Adrian! Gotta put it on the truck. American flag it is. Change it to the Death Star. Check it out. We got a steering wheel knob. Gonna go on the steering wheel of my F-150. Just got it in. What we're gonna do to it is we're gonna take this clear cap off. And since I'm a Star Wars geek, I'm gonna put a Death Star where the American flag is. Just got this for about $6 on eBay. And we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna pop that off. So you're gonna need you a towel, some kind of cloth. That way you don't scratch the plastic. Put it over the top right there. Get you some pliers like that. Or if you're Arnold Schwarzenegger, you can do it with your hand. Whoop. Squeeze it right there. Pop it off. Boom. There's your cap. Here's the flag. Comes right out. And it's just a little wafer. So next what we're going to do is go to the computer and we're going to size it up. We're going to print off a picture of a Death Star and we're going to put it on here. Put it in there. Cap back on. There you go. All right. So now we'll go in here and type in what we want. Death Star. See what we get. Now you just pick the one you want. I myself like a little more of a distressed Death Star after it was destroyed the first time, so this one looks perfect. It's already rounded out. We'll go with that. Okay, so now I'm in Microsoft Word and we're just gonna paste. Okay, so now we click on it, resize it. Gonna be just a guesstimation at this point. Go ahead and copy and paste a few of these on here. And then when you find the right size after you print it out, use that one. All right, so now we got it printed out. Let's see if we match up. So now we'll cut. I'm actually going to double layer these two. That's why I did two. That way when I put the glue on, there's no bleed through. Now if you're OCD like me and you have any type of edges that are kind of white, we'll just go around it with a Sharpie. That way to be sure you don't see them. All right, go ahead and snap her in. Just like that. Press the back on. Boom. Now let's put her on the steering wheel. Look at that! Look at it! Beautiful. Here comes a turn. Here comes a
turn. Watch this.